So hello and good evening to everybody. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the two quotes which I have mentioned, that is, you are very close to the finish line and victory. So do not give up at this moment. It is tiring, it is very exhausting, I understand it. But this is the crucial 2 days, the last 2 days before the exams, where you need to give that extra 500%. And stop being afraid of what may happen. Don't have that anxiety that how will the exam be, how will be the paper. You cannot change any of that. Only thing which you can do is you can concentrate right now on what is in your hands. That is, first of all, be calm. Second, don't worry about the exams. You have prepared since last 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month. It doesn't matter the duration for what you have prepared. What is important is that whatever you have prepared for this exam, each and every line of what you have read is going to help you in the exams. And how will it help you? By remaining calm. Third thing, take adequate sleep. Do not do any sleepless night in this last 2 days before the exams. Your brain needs to bath in very fresh CSF before the exam for it to function to 200%. Lastly, eat properly, be with your family. If you are away, talk to them and just be relaxed, be positive. That is what you need to be right now. In last 2 days, don't think of revising each and every chapter or each and every topic. First of all, calm yourself, do some deep breathing exercises, relax yourselves, then think about what is coming to your mind, what you need to revise. My habit was that prior to the exam, by evening or by night, I used to close my books and just relax, have a good meal and sleep early. So that is what I used to do. But for you, some of you have asked me regarding what to do in this last 2 days. You're not able to understand. Obviously, you have the whole course to revise in this 2 days. Is it possible? Answer to yourself, it is not possible. So what you can do is, as I said, do all of that. In the remaining time, whatever comes to your mind, revise that. Don't try and revise each and everything. If you want to be more specific, then revise something which you feel that you are not able to recollect, or something which I had told from prior, that something which you think is your weak topic or weak subject. So that is what you should revise in this 2 days. Don't try and revise something which we are very sure. Don't just keep cramming. That will not help. What you need to revise is something which pops up in your mind, oh, I am not able to recollect, or just revise the weak subjects. That's it. That is what will help you in this last 2 days, nothing else. There is nothing extraordinary which I'll be able to tell you that read this system, read that system. Each and everything we have gone through multiple times, what you need to read, what you need to concentrate. You all have gone through. Think about a particular subject, topic or anything like that. Now is the time just to relax yourself. I'll be repeating 10 times to relax yourself. Be in the positive mindset that whatever you have read, your brain will help you to answer the question as soon as the question pops up. So some of the tips which I'll be telling you, already I've told you. Be aware about the time management. Second thing, calm yourself. What I used to do is that before the exam, night before the exam, on the morning of the exam, I used to do deep breathing exercises, calm my nerves. When I'm sitting in front of the computer, because we reach early, we don't know the time when the exam is going to start. We don't have the like your watch with you. So what you can do is, whenever you're sitting in front of the computer screen, also close your eyes and calm yourself. Do deep breathing exercises. By just closing your eyes or sleeping will not calm you. Try and do deep breathing exercises to calm that tachycardia which is going on before the exam starts. And keep telling yourself, the last blog which I wrote, keep telling yourself that you can do it. You are going to achieve your dream rank. You are going to get your rank. You are going to get your seat which you want to enter into. Keep telling yourself. Keep imagining. It is nothing wrong in daydreaming also, I feel. You should have the capability to convert that daydream into reality, and you have done the hard work, so that part is done. Now is important that you don't panic, you don't get anxious. It is very normal to feel that anxiety, but you also have the solution by trying to keep thinking positive about your preparation, about your strengths, about your how much hard work you put in, and you have to think positive that you can achieve it. So all the best to everybody. Hope these tips help. I know it is not something which is of a very theoretical thing which I am telling you that read this subject or read that topic, because in last 2 days it is impossible to concentrate on something or expect that a topic or important thing is only going to be asked. It is going to be out of the whole course. So I hope all the tips help. All the best to everybody. Keep thinking positive, relax yourself, and tell yourself that you can do it and you will definitely achieve it. All the best again, and best of luck. All the good wishes to all of you.